know what they're doing is they just stop right there. Now look and see, what do you notice? It's not fully mixed, is it? There's whites and yolks. You can tell the difference. So that's not good. If you made an omelet with this, you would see whites and you would see yolks. That's not a good sign for an omelet. If I got that, I'd send it back. Like, that's not an omelet. So you want to whisk it really well. A lot of people put some type of dairy product in their eggs. What it does is it enriches it and makes it creamier, fluffier, and softens the color a little bit. So we're just going to put a little bit of cream in there. You can use milk or cream or whatever you want. Cream will make it richer, like, yeah. You'll be like, ooh, that's creamy. So one thing, a little trick for you, if you're going to be doing breakfast buffets at your hotels or for a wedding, if you're going to put scrambled eggs out on a display, we learned by accident that sour cream works really well. We ran out of dairy, we didn't have cream or milk, and we had to go quickly to put the eggs out. So we had sour cream, so we put a little sour cream in the mixture with the eggs, and we found as we were cooking it that they stayed creamier and looked fresher longer. And we figured out why afterwards. We're like, that's really weird. Sour cream. What does the word sour imply?
It's like expired.
No, well, sour cream, like you put on a taco or something, right? Sour cream.
Aged.
It's aged. It's aged. The sour can imply like acidic, right? Like an acid. So we found that the lower pH of the sour cream, when we add that into this mixture, it lowered the pH of the entire system, and it did not allow the sulfur to express itself visually. So when sulfur expresses itself visually, it turns what color? Green. So when you see that green egg out in the state, you pick it up and the bottom is green because the heat is still kind of cooking the eggs. That's why. So by lowering the pH of that egg system as we cooked it, it didn't allow the sulfur to express itself visually, which is kind of a cool accident. So, you have a question?
Yeah, when you were making it for 500 people, would you make one big batch of those?
So how did we do it for 400 or 500 people? We had a night crew, and we'd give them a list of everything we needed, and they would crack